awutie asetina mo adwumadie eye de na woba odi kan ka say dem che ene dress wa ha no uhunu achale obi kan we fa no lantose yeso na empane focus we fa no hye che so she no so we fa no hye mini aba na te say yo me da se wo so awutie so me de nchia kese na me de eblewo na megidi se ho ye ebia na udi dwumadie bi koso ene di na tie me na frɛ obi se enkuranhyemre edu so na makoa somfopa ni tekotego na memre edu so e wa sampa. I found that every single person who has succeeded that I spoke to had a turning point. Every single great man, every single great family, every single great woman that I spoke with had a turning point. Wobia wadimu wenya yedie ne ho atɔ no a wɔyɛ wɔ mama pawo ya wɔ kandini no ya wɔ kandini papa no enema bi ɛdaneye ɛna ɛboa mo epia wɔm kodum pempenso a wɔna du no na ɛde na ɛdaneye ɛde wɔn onipa no ya mmɔ no soronko ya anyo na nkyɛn wo sebeta fra kyɛ ne nan nyɛ nan na wakase otumi ka kɔ ba bia onipadua ɔwɔ adwene osunsum te sɛ dia wo bie no. But they made a turning point. What Dani Kwembi will be a cotreno when who Kwembi so a fast. And that turning point was that they made a clear, specific, unequivocal decision that they were not going to do things like everybody else is doing and live their life like everybody else is living. To me, point a yes specific. Say me, this is where I want my life to be. Now, me man and yes will be a DNB. You see, I'm not going to live my life like everybody else. Neither am I going to do things like anybody else. I will do things like I have said I will do. Akwa say wo membi so me nka me wi abehu kusa kuro no. Obi asori a music talent music in. Na enkwada nyina hia nwom to. Enwom de pa. Aso obi ayentuni. I want to say Jamaica, a lot of people started singing reggae. Nipa do na too reggae, but I can tell you say Bob Marley will be a bibi memu yehu no. Enti wo so will be ato nwom. But Bob Marley was exceptional. One want to say even Africa, obi about reggae, but at least you better say Lucky Dube wewu. But that's where there. You see, we all have something that goes for us. Yeah, you are. Bama ye din peja ho. Now your problem is that we are doing what everybody else is doing. To say, oh, I want to go to university to study marketing, human resource. No be ad no akoshim. And then nekura nurse adwuma. Obi a person e nurse. Nurse obi ya more say we nurse. To say we nurse adwuma no, na wo twensa ba mama adwuma. Na mo mu no twedi ampon de bi shomu a e bia ane we hwe nurse, but that thing is your talent and no gift. To say be nurse na anti obi ba adwuma mu a essence ade ne nya wa adwuma nti no. No amuna. You see, adwuma ya wo de no. Wo ya wo de se de me. Nkrasha me hye ye ntua me kakra me de. Because my idea is say, mission crying no be enya emponkranshe emfambu no bra tinye sika megie na mum wo a wotie me no wa hoto eno negie. So the more metimission nipa cry no, the better I feel, because that is my core talent. E so yankopon de ball me enti bia na wakwa teacher ni na nkwada na wo bro wom onko adwuma ntem krono bi na da fa ba bi ebo e bia wakwa ye police ni something that you've accepted to do because adwuma ni ho nti no why obo say adwuma na wo ye no ene gye nim enti unyo bia na pam wata na sum ko na mo obu afu dada. But if it's your job, you do it with excellence. Enti menua onyame amo nyina musicians eno amo nyina say yematoto brode ne nkate secretary officer eno amo nyina posefo ne nurse-fo doctor fo ani senkofo nyina hu hia emo man, but wo edi enti Nyankopon ebo wo utie wo mu a ade be na atimi ya wo ya tumi say wo ya with ease ya wo mre ya manfo hu say akoya ade. That is your talent. Develop it, refine it. Na be hu de be ba abrabom hwe wo talent ne da adi a nipa pimpim be ye ba beda soronko. When you identify your real talent, many others will pursue what you are pursuing, but you be exceptional. And unti na be hu say ya na yakai owura kwa nkroma owura JB dankwanom ne mpania Nelson Mandela nom ne ade. Saint ni say ye nyina ye akandifo, but one they were exceptional leaders. Will be also akandini, also exceptional what. But I say there are people who always will stand out. So to stand out, whether in business, whether in marriage, whether in your workplace, make it a point to make clear, specific, unequivocal decisions, not just to be anybody else, but to be exceptional. And I want to say exceptional. There's a wood demo for Ona na no maame no agya ware ye bro ma sabi ya abaya kaka de nti sana wo so be ye ma dabi obi to ade atwa obi ebu no bukata ti wo sana be no dabi eba the politics oh you be call radio so na I'm telling you it was sana be no dabi mobin tie no ka say this is an exceptional politician mobin tie no ka say this is an exceptional parliamentarian mobin sha okwan so as a policeman no ka say this policeman is indeed a policeman worth his source mobin mla hospital na hwe no na ka say mami we only for instance ke kura gina ho a ye hu sunsuro ye mobin tie broadcaster no ka say to say me madam for be a meeting na say obi na sempa na benya no wotie no a we say this guy is a real radio icon they say me ni about him animi kai we program here the whole world na ebashia you are also exceptional make a decision to be one wono nyame antina
medase sa